Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this big white straight power 11 650 watt world class quad and efficiency power source for your personal computer. This is the world-class quad and efficiency device. The big white straight power 11 raises the bar for systems that demand virtually inaudible operations without power quality compromission. We have virtually inaudible silent wing 3, 135mm fans. We have the funnel shaped fan opening of the PSU case for high airflow intake, and wire-free inside the PSU on the DC side for enhanced cooling, and long YT modular cables for maximal built-in flexibility. With an 80 plus gold efficiency, that means up to 93%. We have 4 PCI Express connectors for high-end GPUs, and Japanese 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors ensures stability and reliability too. And we have ErP and Energy Star 6.1 ready. And Be Quiet gives us a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. This is a big thing. We have Silent Wings 3 fan. This provides virtually inaudible operations. The high-end Silent Wings 3 fan delivers the best of class airflow, yet produces very little noise. This is thanks to its unique optimized fan blade design, along with an advanced fluid dynamic bearing and a 6-pole fan motor that largely eliminates operationally noises. This has a super long life and a minimal power consumption. And of course we have a full shape fan opening. That means higher cooling performance. The fan inlet of the straight power 11 is funnel shaped. It causes an increased throughput of air, which benefits to a higher cooling performance. And we have wire-free inside the PCU. That's pushing the longevity of components to a maximum. An absolute innovation is the straight power 11 wire-free on the DC side inside the PCU body. This results in improved cooling airflow and less signal disturbance, simply because of a lack of wiring, and ultimately push the lifetimes of the components of a maximum. And with modular cables, utmost convenience and compatibility. Thanks to the modular cables, all cables that serve no purpose in the systems are left out. For this reason, systems always appear very tidy. At the same time, the installation is performed much more conveniently. A smoother airflow results from the uncluttered layout of the system, which means lower noise and temperatures prevail inside the case. And these are all big things that this works really cool. And 80 plus gold certified. Impressively high efficiency. The straight power is certified with the 80 plus gold efficiency class, reaches up to 93%. This gives the less power consumption and a cooling quieter operation. Truly a benefit for any system out there. And that this all works, that comes with high class technologies. Compatibility for the system of tomorrow. The use of the LLC and the synchronous rectifier SR provides very stable operations and enhanced voltage regulations. The PSU is equipped with DC to DC conversion for tight voltage regulation, even under heavy cross-loading conditions. This ensures reliable operation with the next generation of processors and graphic cards too. Japanese 105 degrees capacitors are testament to high quality. Only the best components are used in the straight power 11 series. That is why they have built only high quality Japanese capacitors into the PSU chassis. They are rated to 105 degrees Celsius, ensuring stability, reliability, and a long operating lifetime. This brings your personal computer a much powerful life and easier to use your device. The continuous power is 650 watt. The peak power is 720 watt. The form factor is version 2.4. The form factor EPS 12 volt is the version 2.92. We have a topology of LLC plus SR plus DC-DC, digitally controlled. The voltage VAC from 100 up to 240 volt. That means it's possible to build this device into nearly every computer on the world. The frequency in hard 50 up to 16. The input current is 8/4 ampere. The power factor at 100% load is 0.99. And we have a power consumption in standby mode less than 0.12 watt. The average lifetime with 25 degrees Celsius per hour is 100,000 hours. The operation temperature to 40 degrees Celsius are possible. You see, this comes to you and brings an easy operation, straight power 11, 650 watt power source for you. This is world class, quiet and efficiency. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.